Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. How you doing on this Wednesday morning? It is the last day of January, and about 4 o'clock in the morning, temperatures are in the upper 20s as I make this, and I think they'll fall a few more degrees to maybe to the mid-20s in some locations before all is said and done. A very interesting video, a lot of good information here. 4 frontal systems over the next 10 days. Each one will bring some rain. Each one will have wild temperature gyrations before and after the front moves through. I'll even show you how much rain is going to be falling or what is expected to fall. Plus, we'll show you another interesting map that takes us deep into the heart of February, a month that I think is going to be pretty cold. And also the latest on this super blue blood moon, which is right over my shoulder right now. Spectacular, very bright. I couldn't get it in the shot, but those of you who watch this video early in the morning before sunrise may see the partial eclipse, which begins at 5:48 a.m. and goes till about 6:40 a.m. before the moon actually goes over the horizon and sets while the sun is rising in the east. All right, let's tell you a little bit more about this super moon.
Now, the moon won't look blue. It's called a blue moon because it's the second full moon in January. So the sun sets tonight in the west at 5:17 p.m., and the moonrise will be in the east at 5:42 p.m., and it will look larger than normal because it is closest to the Earth. That's perigee. So that's your moon facts for today. Nice afternoon rebound today as southeasterly winds take over after this cold start. I think we end up in the upper 50s. Low tonight down to about 39, so not as cold tonight. Southeast winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour today. So that's our day in between storm systems. But more changes are on the way. Here's Thursday noon, a front approaching northwest Alabama. Maybe a couple of showers in the afternoon as we warm into the low 60s, but a better chance of rain Thursday evening, and Thursday night. There's midnight. Look at the snow up to the northwest of Alabama, portions of Georgia and Tennessee. Friday morning, it looks like the showers will be exiting southeast Alabama probably pretty early, and that will lead to a brisk day again. Breezy, very chilly, temperatures only up to about 51 at best, even if we make it that high, and another freeze Friday night into Saturday morning. So after that cold start, we get a nice afternoon bounce back again as we wait for the next storm system. And here comes another wet Sunday. Yeah, Super Bowl Sunday. There's 6 in the morning. Boy, that's a complicated map. Look at the snow up in portions of North Georgia and Tennessee with that one. Sunday, 6 p.m., the showers are departing much of Alabama. I think the showers will come to an end Sunday evening, and that leads to another breezy, chilly Monday. And you get the pattern. You see how this works. It's all very quick. And how much rain will fall? Well, maybe an inch or more here in central Alabama. They got Lake Martin at 1.4, a little heavier up towards the Tuscaloosa area in this map from NCEP. We need the rain. So we've got a high of 62 tomorrow with a chance of showers increasing to 60% on Thursday night. Then breezy, colder, 51 Friday. Another freeze on Saturday morning before afternoon recovery. Then the Sunday rain, and then another chilly day on Monday. Lots of fast changes. Then another frontal system apparently the following Wednesday. This is Wednesday, February 7th. They keep coming at us. So let's review the next 10 days. According to the European, you see all the drops, and then the recoveries, and then the storm system, and then the drops. So you got front number 1, 2, 3 on Wednesday, February 7th, and another one on February 9th, it looks like. Lots of peaks and valleys. And you can see that depicted there with the temperatures. Some days we're in the 60s. Some days we're barely in the 50s. Some days we have freezing temperatures. That's the way the next 10 days will go. Let's look 16 days out on the GFS. We're looking towards the middle of the month. We don't see anything startling on this. We even see some days in the 60s. However, we're going to look beyond the middle of February now. Let's look at the CFS, the Climate Forecast System, and look at late February, early March. Now, that's some cold air. Add some cold air. I think the month of February is going to average much below normal temperature-wise, and we'll see what happens along the way. So there's your February outlook.
Yeah, so February will be interesting. A couple of the models are hinting at some drama in the middle of the month. That's all I'm going to say about that right now. We'll roll with the punches, and I'll keep you up to date. Live on the radio this morning from 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1 with Greg, Jay, Emily, and Bailey the Wonder Dog, who is right over there, freezing. Where you at, Bailey? And I hope you have a great day today. There'll be another video for you first thing tomorrow morning at 4:45 a.m. Plus your forecast when you're out and about across the dial on 8 stations twice an hour, the Blue Water family of radio stations. All right, so enjoy what's going to be a pretty good last day of January after this cold start. I'll see you in the morning. Rich
this weather.